Hey everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to solve the problem picking numbers. Given an array of integers, find and print the maximum number of integers you can select from the array such that the absolute difference between any two of the chosen integers is less than or equal to 1. This is the input array. Here we have two subarrays that have the absolute difference less than or equal to 1. Here this 5 elements has the maximum length, so we will return 5. Let's see an example. Here 4, 3, 3 that have an absolute difference less than or equal to 1, so we will return 3. Let's see another example. Here 1 is 2 times and 2 is 3 times, so total elements is 5 with the absolute difference less than or equal to 1, so we will return 5. Let's solve the problem. First, we will import a statement to create a dictionary. From collections, import counter. Now, we will create a dictionary from the list of integers, that will be array equals counter of a. Initialize the max num to 0. Now we have some constraints here. The integers of the array is from 1 to 99. So we need to iterate from 1 to 99. The logic of the problem will be, we will be iterating the array from 1 to 99. For each iteration, we will calculate the current element and the next element. Here like 3 and the next element is 4. So the total number of elements will be stored in the max num. Why the logic works is, the current element and the next element will always have the absolute difference less than or equal to 1. That's the logic, and we will calculate for all the integers from 1 to 99. Now use a for loop for I in range up to 100, max num equals max of max num, comma, the logic is array of I plus array of I plus 1. So this will store the maximum number of elements. Finally, we will return the max num. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.